Good afternoon everybody, my name is Jeff Dennis, the owner of Britain's Heritage Fireplace in Leicester. We've been restoring fireplaces for nearly 40 years, and just to like to show you a project that just come in. We've just unloaded them from our van. These are for a customer. As you can see, we've got a nice example of a nice Edwardian one there, and this one, very unusual this one, in the sense that that's a movable hood, which is a very unusual feature. This one again, poor old fella, needs quite a bit of repair that we'll be doing to it. I've got one of the best restorers in the country who does this restoration for us. He'll be able to match up the pattern and everything. Again, the back has all deteriorated from the use of the years, so we'll be replacing all that. And then we have another very interesting chappy here, a really nice, impressive Gothic style on this one, which again is lost all its fire grates and everything, which we'll be replacing. And then over here we've got a nice Georgian one with the classic Georgian roundels there, and then here we've got a different era with your Art Nouveau, with your lovely Art Nouveau organic pattern. Again, missing its grate, we'll replace that grate. So all this will go into our workshop, and we'll strip them all down with a special stripping process that we've developed, and we'll bring them back up and finish them off with a traditional black finish. And what we're finding these days, of course, that anybody who's got an old property, and certainly property up to the 1960s, where they've got a chimney breast, we're finding that people are fitting these increasingly because they want a feature in the room. They don't want just four walls all painted white like a doctor's surgery. They want a piece of furniture, and they don't necessarily need the heat. They just want a nice piece of furniture. There's got to be a focal point in the room, and so we're finding that more and more with people. But what we have with this particular customer, because these are all for one customer, what this customer requires, no heat, but they do want some flames. So we are fitting some Ethanol fires, which don't require a flue and don't give off any fumes, but do give a decorative flame pattern. And these, in fact, we are sourcing these from Europe. They come with remote control and safety features on them. In fact, they're all approved to EU and USA standards, and increasingly we're finding people are interested in this sort of thing. So again, over the next few days, over the next week or so, we'll be restoring these and bring them back to their former glory, and then we'll arrange to have them fitted again in this person's house, and I'm sure they'll be over the moon. Thank you.